Meet Echo Sub, a powerful subwoofer for your Echo. It adds deep, rich bass to your Echo or Echo Plus through a down-firing 6-inch woofer. Now you can listen to all your favorite music with dynamically tuned sounds you can feel. Alexa, play my Party Jams playlist.
Your playlist, Party Jams, on Amazon Music.
Setting up Echo Sub is easy. Just plug it in, open the Alexa app, and connect to your compatible Echo devices. Pair Echo Sub with a single Echo for full-range music, or add an additional Echo for stereo sound that fills the room. And whenever you need some extra oomph, just ask. Alexa, turn up the bass. Echo Sub from Amazon.